Unlock the hidden potential of transactional emails and discover their true power today, a game changer for your business. Transactional emails often get overlooked, but they can drive sales and enhance customer loyalty effortlessly. Rather than just order updates, these emails can become strategic tools for fostering engagement and growth. Right after purchasing, customers are eager. This is your chance to upsell with related product recommendations. Include only 1 or 2 relevant suggestions, keeping the focus on the order information they seek. Transactional emails can offer exclusive previews of upcoming products, stirring excitement among your early customers. Engage your customers through contests and giveaways included in these emails, creating fun and excitement. Ensure those rewards are easy to achieve. You want to maintain enthusiasm without overwhelming your audience. Leverage surveys linked in your emails to gather customer feedback while rewarding them for their participation. Transform transactional emails into powerful revenue drivers, turning ordinary interactions into extraordinary opportunities.